In this video, I share the secrets of highly successful affiliate marketers. If you want to have massive success in affiliate marketing, copy these secrets exactly. Whether you are just getting into affiliate marketing or maybe you're already an affiliate marketer, these are the things that will ensure your success. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And as you can see, winter is set in, the lake is frozen, and we have some snow. If you have followed me for a while, you know I love winter. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet, and I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for more than 20 years now. If you are new to it, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's products or services and get paid. I think it's the ultimate side hustle to create both more money and more free time to enjoy it too. If you do it right, you can make a nice income, build passive income too, and do it all in minimal time. Thanks to affiliate marketing, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, and that sure beats a traditional job. So what are the secrets of the highly successful affiliate marketers? What sets them apart? Well, it has to do with both the affiliate businesses that they build and the way that they build them. And as for the affiliate opportunity to promote, here's what to look for. And you will find that there are affiliate offers for almost everything that you can think of. And I'll bet you've already bought an affiliate offer or two in the past, even though you may not realize it was an affiliate offer. Look for something with multiple income streams. That will make maximum use of your marketing efforts. Only promote top quality, high demand offers, no matter how good the income opportunity may look. You have to think long term. Nothing will be more important than your image or your reputation. Protect it. And it's pretty tough to market something that the masses are not already looking for. Pay close attention to the commission structure of the offer you promote. Most affiliate marketing products pay small, one-time commissions of only a few percent. And with those, you will have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make real money. And that can be tough, especially if you are an affiliate marketing beginner. And speaking of commissions, be sure you are marketing something that pays out recurring or passive income too. That's the money that can keep coming in month after month without any extra effort for the sales that you make each day. And that's what got me out of the rat race for good. No more just trading my time for money. That's what really creates freedom. And no matter how much experience you may have as an affiliate marketer, you'll want excellent training, support, systems, and mentoring. And how you build the affiliate business is critical too. Highly successful affiliate marketers always build an email list and market to it, rather than try to sell the product or service directly from an ad. The old rule is still true. On average, it takes 7 exposures to make a sale. If you try to sell direct, that's only 1 exposure, and today, I think that number is probably bigger than 7. Plus, when you build and use an email list the right way, that opens up many more long-term possibilities. I've had my email list for decades. Many subscribers have been on my list for many years. My list is far and away my most valuable marketing asset. So with that in mind, let me tell you a little about my #1 recommended income stream. It's the affiliate marketing business I build myself. It might be just right for you too. It pays out an industry-leading 80% commissions. 80%. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And 3 of the products pay out passive income too. It comes with the best training in the home business industry, a great training website with dozens of how-to videos, live interactive training calls on Zoom daily, and recorded if you can't be there live. And we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You'll love being part of our online community. It also comes with a powerful marketing system and simple to use funnel builder tool, so even beginner affiliate marketers can quickly and easily create their own online content. And best of all, I will be your personal mentor and coach. you'll never wonder about what to do next. I will share everything that has helped our team of affiliate marketers be highly successful and how you can do the same. In fact, I can show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day as an affiliate marketer. And oh yeah, this business is super affordable too. To learn more and start making more money today as a highly successful affiliate marketer, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.